How to delete Fidelity Active Trader Pro. Fidelity Investments provides investment management, brokerage services, retirement planning, and wealth management. It helps individuals and institutions grow their wealth through mutual funds, stock trading, financial advisory, and research tools. You can currently only close brokerage or cash management accounts with a zero balance through the virtual assistant. You should call a Fidelity representative at this to close all other accounts. Or you can go to Contact Us page. On this page, you can talk or chat with Virtual Assistant, or chat with their team, or give them a call at this number. That's it. Thanks for watching.